In today's episode, we're going to talk about a new idea for print on demand because sometimes you got to get creative to make that sale, whether it's using DTF transfers, screen printing transfers, or even HTV transfers. Because all of these years we have received all kinds of requests for a design, and one of them are personalized or customized avatars of our customers. And back in the days it was very challenging, but today with technology it is much easier, and that is exactly what we're going to show you today, because we're going to use artificial intelligence to make a fully customized design of our customer using artificial intelligence or AI. So make sure you stick around and watch this episode until the end, and of course give us a like and subscribe. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to look for some key aspects of my customer. And I have a sample here of a guy who does lawn care, tree service, and all that. Well, this is just an example, but I'm gonna look for some physical aspects from this person. And the first thing I notice is the beard, the hair. It's his brown hair. I'm gonna start with those details, and I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, I'm gonna tell him, make me a logo with an avatar of a guy cutting a bush. Well, I don't know what those things call. I'm gonna call it a bush trimmer. Hopefully it understands. So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to do that. And the guy has beard and brown color hair. I'm gonna start with that, and I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to make the logo on a black background. I always make my designs on a black background because it is easier to remove the background when it's a color background. And I'm gonna see. I rarely get it the first try, but see, as this one, it's not that close to the person, so I'm gonna ask, make the guy facing the front and smiling, wearing goggles. So those are some of the key aspects that I'm gonna look for someone. If I'm gonna make an accurate logo, I can probably tell ChatGPT to go ahead and do even the color of the shirt that he's wearing and gloves, but I don't think it's still that close. So I'm gonna ask, make the avatar wearing shirt and a white t-shirt under. So hopefully this time it makes it more accurate. Okay, so I think I have a winner. I really like this picture right here. Is the closest one to what I asked ChatGPT to do. Even the clothing, the t-shirt, the gloves, even these sunshades, whatever they call those, protection shades. I think it's really accurate, even the same color as the trimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this image, and I'm gonna start editing. I'm gonna use my program Design Frame to do that, and I'm going to upload. Actually, first I'm gonna go and remove the color, the background of the image. So I'm gonna go ahead and increase the tolerance and remove the background. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I'm gonna do this on a black t-shirt anyway. So it's download. Now I'm going to upload this image, cropped image, and I'm gonna make it big, and I'm going to call this company, I'm gonna go ahead and call it Allen's Lawn Care and Trimming. So that sounds like a good name. So I'm gonna type in Allen, and I'm going to choose a font type, and I'm gonna make this the same color as, I don't know, maybe this green, maybe, or possibly even white. We're gonna do this, let's try this color here. Maybe it's gonna be more accurate. I'm gonna make this italic style. I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe a white outline. So I'm gonna increase the thickness, and I think that looks a little bit better, but maybe perhaps I'm gonna try orange. We'll see how this looks. I think it looks better. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this a little bit like this, and I'm gonna now type in lawn care and trimming, because this is what this company specializes on. I'm gonna go ahead and also do this, rotate this a little bit up like this one, and I'm not gonna do this italic mode. I'm gonna keep it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld this now. So now what I'm gonna do is probably make it a little bit bigger. I think that looks good now. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments if you think something will look better. But I think this will be really good. So now let's download, and now I'm gonna use this sample for my posting on social media that I am offering this type of designs for companies like t-shirts and all that. So I'm gonna use the back of a t-shirt that I have here. So I'm gonna place it here, and now I'm going to upload the logo. Oops, too big. And I'm gonna go ahead and upload the design and place it on the back of the t-shirt, which is this one. Now I'm gonna make it big, of course, so that way it looks big enough, not too big, but big enough. And I think that would look really great. I think they should catch the eye or the attention of customers to advertise like avatar designs. So if I place, the real picture of my customer, so they see how close to accurate they are, so maybe they're interested. Like I say, guys, on the intro, I have never tested this. I'm gonna try this with my customers. If this works, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But I think this is pretty a cool idea. As you know, if you haven't, or if you're new here to this channel, we always like to try new things to make sales, to make this better, and to be especially different than the competition. Always try to come up with new things and new ideas. And that's exactly what we're doing here. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Have you tried AI images? Have you tried, or if you recommend any other websites? Let me know in the comments. I will definitely read them. So yeah, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and I appreciate all the support from all the RDI Premium. We appreciate you guys. We've been getting some new members, and I really appreciate your support. Remember that you can use this program to edit your designs and outsource many things. I will be making more videos on how to use this program. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next episode.